we are live now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So hello everyone. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, Vidhi. It is so good to see you right now on the other side of the table, and it is one of the biggest reward for the faculties to invite their students as speakers. I'd like to invite Professor Neha Pandey to further take over the session.
Thank you, ma'am. So very good afternoon to all of you.
Hi, good afternoon.
I would like to welcome Ms. Vidhi Gandhi, who has been the alumni of LJFE. She's from 2013-15 batch. She was a HR student. Ms. Vidhi is currently working with Vishtech IT Solution as a senior executive HR. Over there, she is handling end-to-end recruitment and the other major HR activities. She is working with Bistec since last 2 years, and before that, she was working with Adrec HR Solutions. She has started her career from there only, and she was working over there as a recruitment specialist. So I would really like to welcome once again Ms. Vidhi. Now over to you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah.
Please share your valuable thoughts now.
Yeah, sure. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Thanks Imani ma'am and Neha ma'am for inviting me. I hope you are all doing well and safe, right? Am I audible, right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So shall I share my screen, Himani ma'am?
Yes, please. I'll just grant the rights.
Yeah, sure.
Are you able to share? Just check.
Just check. No.
I think now you'll be able to.
Okay. So I think everyone is getting my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are discussing about how HR professional working and transformations into digitalization of HR due to COVID situations. So moving to the how HR professional are working. So guys, anyone have any idea or any thoughts about how HR professionals are working? Any of have any thoughts about HR, how HR professional are working? Any thoughts you have? Okay, so HR professionals are learners who seek new ways to solve all problems, who make other better, and value creator who help all others, right? So HR, human resource management, executive the recruitment, hiring, training, compensate, and benefits, and so there is multiple segment in HR segments in the HR professional, right? So let's say an example. Suppose I think you guys are hands-on experience about internship, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you guys are knowing about some of the things about the corporate culture and about the how HR is working, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. So there is if you starting your career with HR profile, then you need to start with the first step of recruitment. This is the first step of HR professionals. I think majorly students have an impressions that they don't want to start with the recruitment only and any consulting firm. But trust me, recruitment is first step of HR profile, and that is most important segment, because after all, every company look after the recruitment needs of the company, right? So anyone have any idea about the recruitment? Any thoughts on recruitment? Guys, you can interact with me, no issues. Hello.
Students, you may please have an
Ma'am.
interactive session.
Yeah.
Ma'am, according to the right skill, the person is recruited.
Okay, cool, good. Okay, so I'll let you know the recruitment, recruitment is one of the first step of HR profile, and that is one of the most important part of the HR profile, right? Because you have to deal with the different peoples with the different mindset and different challenges. So if you love interaction, then you will love this job, right? So you can learn a lot of things from that, right? You can learn different mindset, you can learn different challenges. So in recruitment, you have to do screenings, shortlisting the resume, talking with the multiple peoples of the different industries. If you started your career, if you start in future, you starting your career with a particular industry, like if you're starting with the manufacturing or IT industry or BFSI industries, then you have to talk with the multiple candidates and you have to talk with the multiple peoples with a different mindset, right? So if you are joining organization with the particular industry, then you have to talk with the within the industry. If you are working with the consulting firm, then you have to get exposure for the different industries. Getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So out of them, you will know that everyone has a different perspective of life. Everyone has the different goals, different ambitions, or everyone has a different life stories, right? So you will be more interacting with them. Then you will learn more. You will get more inspirations from them. Also, you can learn new things from each candidate because each candidate has a different story, right? Let's example, you guys are 50 of class, right? So you all have a different dreams and all you have a different goals. So some of you have to priority go particular company, or some of have a priority to particular locations, and some of have a particular priority with a particular role, right? So you guys are hands-on experience with the internship, so you know that where you have to go in the future, right? This is what I am sharing my 4 years of experience with the recruitment and HR activities, right? So you guys also can work as a volunteer at the organizations to further your professional development and expand your network, so that also benefit to you, and so you can use this opportunity to see what areas of HR you enjoy the most and build up your skill set, right? So after internship, you know that which field is most you like about that and what you want to do further in that, right? Because every opportunity to make people's working lives better, even in a small way. So grab the opportunity which you surrounding right now, which you're getting right now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah. So moving to the
Yes,
how
ma'am.
I get so far, moving to the my journey, that how I get start my career journey in human resource. So many of people are eager to start a career in HR because it's fast growing, filled with a lot of opportunities. So on after my MBA, I started my career with the consulting firm as a recruitment specialist. Where initially I started. Also, I have an experience with the intention with the recruitment and selection process, but still I learned 1 to 2 months all about recruitment and selection process. That is, I'm handling different profiles with the different industries, likewise manufacturing industry, IT industry, banking industry. So I have to call daily about multiple candidates about the roles, and I have to explain the different roles to them, and then I have to sending them to company for the interview, and then after candidates get selected and rejected with the companies, and have to deal with this all situations, right? So where I learned how to deal with the different people and how you can tackle them with the situations, because every industry have a different kinds of people. You have to talk with the top to bottom level of people. You have to you have to talk with the workers from the professionals, right? So everyone has a different mindset and everyone has a different challenges and everyone has a different expectations. So you will get the different experience from each and every candidates, right? So one way to get experience is to work as a recruitment specialist role several years and then transition into the recruitment plus HR activities in particular IT industries, where I have been working since last 2 years. I'm working right now with the Vistec IT Solutions at Prahlad Nagar location, where I started my role with the shortlisting and interviewing negotiation and then joining process, and after joining induction and orientation process. So this is how end-to-end process of HR profile. And right now I'm used to doing over there. And right now I'm also doing with the virtual process, same process with the virtual. Okay, you guys if you have any query or any confusion, if you want to any interaction, then you can feel free to ask me. So
Okay,
guys,
ma'am.
do you have any idea about virtual interviews or face-to-face interviews? Do you have any idea about that?
Yes.
So can
Yes,
you share
ma'am.
me the thoughts on that?
Ma'am, we did have virtual interviews for our SIPs. Like,
Okay, so how was your experience?
ma'am, virtual is like I have never had an like face-to-face interview. So my first interview was virtual interview. So it was quite
Okay,
fun, like quite good. I
okay,
didn't expect it. मतलब वो थोड़े connection, मतलब connectivity issues अगर आते हैं तो that is the major challenge in virtual interview. बाकी तो it
okay,
is all cool.
okay, good, good, nice. So talking about interviewing, when interviewing, hiring the new employees, it's not merely looking at the candidate resume. From the HR team, like from the HR perspective, HR has also interviewed them and make sure that potential candidates are able to fit with our company's culture. So we need to make sure all about the things, right? Also, it. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Between
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
this
Ma'am,
call.
yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
Vidhi, you
ma'am,
are
we can
audible.
hear you.
Yes. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. So this is the one of the important part of the process. Like if anyone is he or she clear all the rounds when to do the negotiation process, hiring process, then joining process, and after joining there is also induction process. So I used to hiring from top to bottom level of employees. So doing all the process with them from face to face, and as well as right now during the situation we are handling virtually, right? So the human resource doesn't sit around after hiring and getting the employees settled in the roles and duties. So guys, have any idea that what HR can help in remote work and what HR has to do in the remote work?
To motivate the employees,
Okay, nice.
To interact with employees.
Yes,
to solve their problems.
yeah. So
Can monitor the task.
yeah, yeah. So we have constantly working to improve the quality of work life by creating and implementing programs and policies such as personal and annual leaves, employees engagement activities, other various opportunities, right? So we here I have to deal with the face to face with all employees. That is altogether different experience from the consulting firm. In a consulting firm, you have to call with the candidates and sending them for the interviews. Here I have to deal with the all situations as a face to face, right? So that's why HR field is not static. There is always something new to learn, right? Another reason why human resource department is important because they look after the corporate image of the company. So if you like best in your professional, you need to learn, a lot of new stuff, and also you can upgrade your skills, and you can also upgrade your skills through the online portals, any other activities, right? Not in only specific HR, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, okay. So there is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
HR is also responsible for making sure all the employees are aware of the company values and maintaining them as well as. So major changes we are transforming due to these situations. That is, most business leaders have decided to launch digital transformation initiative to keep the business running as smoothly as possible and better prepare for this phase. So in order to this crisis, forcing almost every business to immediate develop, adopt, or improve remote work policies and procedures. So first part, HR is making this virtual interview process, virtual working process, and all the process they are adapting and improving remote work policies and procedures, right? So as an HR, pros struggle to keep employees safe and informed. It helps to think about what changes will be more permanent and how you will guide employees and organizational leadership through those changes, right? So here is like major changes. So in major changes, first of change is remote work, and remote work is real and it's big. So nowadays, remote work situations creating new normal. So we are working remotely at least part of the time. part of the time after the business reopen their doors, right? So in a remote work, our HR, like as an HR person, you need to be more collaborative, right? With all departments to develop, implements the rules, right? So you need to start the practice for the collaborations, cooperations with colleagues as well as any other departments, right? So in order to providing remote work, managed all the stuffs like employees connectivity, any others required equipments, also made procedure about how we can recover if someone quits or fired, right? So we make like exit policy virtual also, as well as joining and exit process, right? So and monitoring the work enforcement through using the screen meter software. So we are monitoring the work through screen meter software that is capturing everyone's screens, right? And we are tracking from that nobody can do the phishing activities, and uh, like nobody can do the data breaching, because in IT industry, data security is one of the most important factor, right? I think you guys are also aware about, because in I think some of have brothers, relative, friends, neighbors are working in IT industry, or I think you have also having expectations to working in IT industry, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so then moving to the further, moving to the culture. So how we, do you have any guys idea about culture, how we can manage virtually? Any thoughts on culture? Okay.
Ma'am, we can.
Yes, speaking.
Ma'am, Radhika.
Yes, speaking, Radhika.
मैम एक्चुअली वी कैन डू दैट, जो भी काम वो लोग कर रहे हैं वो उसका रोज का डिटेलिंग दे देना चाहिए.
Yeah, we are capturing through screen meter software. So that software is installed in everyone's system, and that software captures everyone's screenshots.
Okay.
Right. So we are tracking through the software. So nobody have to sending all the data every day, because we are 250 plus people. So I have to deal with the 250 people.
Okay.
So we are tracking to.
What does the software do? Suppose I log in at 9 at my home, and I log out at 6 o'clock. So all this 8 hours activity the software records?
Yes. When you started at login, and when you log out in between the time that capture the screenshot.
So you guys can monitor what the employee is doing throughout this 8 hours.
Yes. And
that
yeah, we are observing that.
अगर सॉफ्टवेयर चालू हो और फिर हम लोग कुछ और कर रहे हो,
Sorry?
सिस्टम तो चालू रहेगा, सिस्टम चालू रहेगा 9 to 6 में.
हाँ.
और उसके लॉगिन एक्टिविटी के टाइम हम लोग कुछ और कर रहे होते हैं, तो वो भी कैप्चर होगा.
हाँ, every 5 minutes of
वर्क के बिना.
हाँ, मतलब every 5 minutes of your screen that captures the screenshot. मतलब 5 मिनट, every 5 मिनट में screenshot पड़ता है. So that is, we are tracking through the software that you are doing phishing activities, or you are doing any other activities, or also any data breaching or data. So that's why we are using this software.
So ma'am, you get a notification in every 5 minutes.
No, we don't get notification automatically. We set the time that every 5 minutes that software capture the screenshot. Yeah.
Ma'am, every company do this.
Yeah, multiple companies doing this, because there are if 250 plus people, 100 plus people, they have to monitoring that. Then how we can that? Because अगर सब लोग every day का task sign करेंगे, then nobody can manage that task, right?
Yes,
Nobody can do that in that.
Is it not related to invasion of privacy? I mean, since these kind of things are going to capture, is it like invasion of privacy kind of issue maybe arises?
No, we are providing official system to every employees, so they can working with very smoothly and with the official servers.
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask one thing.
Somebody please mute the mic. There is a lot of background disturbance that is coming. किसी के घर से. Yeah.
Do you have idea about the organized IT industry? Like if you talk about the MNCs, they are also installing such kind of software?
Yes, yes. Multiple softwares available right now in the market. So they are using this kind of softwares for the
So
tracking.
like this is just because of COVID times, or this is
Yeah, this is just because of work from home we are providing since last 6 months.
Okay.
Okay.
It means that work from home is becoming very difficult.
No, it's a like we getting more productivity in work from home because employees are working in their own comfort zones. They don't have any tensions to reach home to get a dinner, lunch, or they don't have any tensions about traffic issues or any vehicle issues or anything else. So we get more productivity in these situations.
What do you think? How people will get work-life balance? Because working at home,
Yeah,
for office, for institute have certain kind of different challenges,
right.
which may not be very feasible for so many people who are working at home, managing everything, and
Yes,
being, I
yes,
mean,
people are managing very well because they are doing personal activities. They are open their personal interest areas because they save the time of traffic issues. Everyone is saving the time of traffic issues and that kind of. So that's why people are doing other stuffs also in this saving the time.
Randa ma'am, maybe because it is an IT industry, maybe people would be finding it easy because IT people are used to work from remote places. Maybe it may not be applicable in all other
No,
industries.
not applicable for other
Yeah,
industry. In other industry, like other industry, BFSI, banking industry, they have to go in COVID situation also. So they
yeah,
cannot
That's true.
manage in manufacturing industry. They can't manage work from home.
but
So
this is interesting. We really found this interesting. The
yeah,
soft. What is the name?
Can you explain one
Spring.com.
more thing?
Yeah, sure.
I become so curious after listening about this song.
Yeah,
I don't know
definitely. Why
why,
not?
because this is something which is very new for us. So
Huh?
I wanted to ask one thing. What happen if you are finding like some kind of problem is there? Like you
yes, probably that's what I wanted to ask. Yeah.
yeah, that
Acha,
if
okay.
in the screenshot, if someone is not actually working the way you wanted to work,
Yeah.
the way you
So
wanted him to work. So
yeah,
what
we
happened
can
then?
we can inform their leads. Firstly, we can inform with their leads. So their reporting head leads will discuss with him, or other agar it's a repetitive cheese, then we are doing we are sending in email of report. This is your report, and we are aware about him, like aware about it. You are doing these activities in this durations. So
It
that is
see it seems like Big Boss camera is always
Exactly.
watching you.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is like, I mean,
Exactly.
yeah, in working hours, like you can't do any other fishing activities. You can take break of you can take break of 2 to 3 hours. That's not an issue because we have a flexible hours. We have to just complete 8:30 hours. So if we are logging at 8 o'clock, then we can complete 8:30 hours according to our situations, right? So we
but
can
it
take
should be on a consecutive basis.
yes,
Continuously they have to work.
no. We can take break like if I
You
have
are switch on your camera, that means you have to work, and if you are switch off, then only you can, I mean, you can log out from your work.
no we have
अगर
inter
आपने कैमरा
no,
ऑन किया है तो आपको काम करना ही है, that is the main intention, I guess.
कैमरा नहीं ऑन करने का है.
अच्छा
दैट इज
ओके,
इंटरनल सॉफ्टवेयर
वो
ही
अगर
डाउनलोड
आपने अपना
इंस्टॉल है.
लॉग इन किया.
इंस्टॉल हाँ. व्हेन वी लॉग इन then it started for the capturing every 5 minutes, right?
So you are capturing the total 8 hours, like for example, if you are
8:30 hours, yeah.
from 9 to 6, so it can be like whatever, it is flexi, it should be 8 hours.
Mm-hmm.
इट शुड बी 8 hours कि 8:30 को बच्चा सुला के फिर से काम पे लग जाए.
Exactly.
पता नहीं विधि, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग नेहा मैम को देख के क्वेश्चन दिमाग में आया.
नहीं, we are working as an 8:30 hours flexible. If we are logging with 9 o'clock, then we have to complete according to that 8:30 hours excluding break. ओके. सो इन अ ब्रेक टाइम वी हैव, मतलब जब भी ब्रेक लेते हैं तभी भी हम लॉग आउट करके ही निकलते हैं, मतलब ब्रेक टाइम डालते हैं. वी हैव इंटरनल सॉफ्टवेयर बिकॉज इन ऑफिस we are doing punching system, so we are doing punch over that, and punch is synced with our software.
Very good.
That software name is people management.
Okay.
Okay.
Wonderful insight.
Right. So that software directly sync to the punching in and outs. And right now we are doing manually with the screen meter, and that screen meter is capturing that all events. Whenever I log in, whenever I go to the break, whenever I go to the log out, all the events they are capturing.
Great.
Right. So clear with
But
this?
ma'am, it increases your work also. Okay, you have to monitor each and every one's schedule at regular interval of time.
No, schedule हमको नहीं manage करना है. Schedule is managing by the leads, the reporting head. We just only observing that people are not doing phishing activities or not doing any data breaching, because data security is one of the biggest point in IT industries.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
because suppose sales team is dealing with the customers, right? So अगर customer के साथ कुछ गलत information चली जाती है और कुछ अलग share हो जाता है, so that's why.
Okay, ma'am.
Getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
moving to the, we manage employee engagement activity through virtually, like we play game through the WhatsApp groups and doing fun over the time. Like हम लोग ने we have created the WhatsApp groups over the team wise, and we played movie identify game, treasure hunt, like this type of games we have played through the virtually in this COVID situations. So employees can get motivated, right? And also employee shared his different experience, that what they are learned during this situation. From they are learning from the crafting to cooking to courses. So everyone has, I think you guys also learned something out of your routine, right, in this
Yes,
situation.
ma'am.
Yes,
So can
ma'am.
Yes,
anyone
ma'am.
share
Yes, ma'am.
anyone share any of experience?
Ma'am, yoga
Oh,
and
great.
Zumba.
Oh, great. I think you guys also knowing that courses platform online, right? I think you guys, I think done any courses or not, I'm not sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Online courses.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is online
Yes, ma'am.
platform like Udemy, Coursera, LinkedIn courses. Anyone does done courses from this platform?
Yes, ma'am. We are
Yes,
doing.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. Udemy.
yeah, good. So we also done the courses through LinkedIn and got certification. So you guys also can do such things that can add more value into you and your resume as well as, right? So moving to the changes in the talent acquisitions and retain remains, that is because due to COVID that is impacted, right? So that is some companies and other industries are thinking and decided that they are laying off workers and freezing the hiring. As you know that I am working with the IT industry, we got more work before than COVID situations, because IT industry all of a sudden get more projects. So we have to do more hiring and more joinings, right? So we continued our hiring process via Skype or Zoom instead of in a person due to the situations. So moving to the virtual hiring and onboardings, I think you guys also knowing about the difference between the hiring, face-to-face hiring and virtual hiring, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am, you are hiring the experienced candidates or fresher?
No. Yes, I am hiring from the top to bottom level, freshers to senior level.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So face-to-face interview is formal meeting with one or more interviews who ask questions to candidate, where you can judge through body language, dressing, right? And in virtual interview is an involved type of which requires video meetings such as Skype or Zoom. So, right? Uh, Virtual interviews, there is one of advantages scheduling flexibilities in virtual interviews. You can take interview like in any time according to convenience of both parties, right? And that, I think virtual interviews one of the major advantages that saves the time. आप कहीं पे भी इंटरव्यू के लिए जाना होता है तो आप टाइम मैनेज करते हो, राइट? अगर कोई लोग मतलब इफ यू आर वर्किंग इन इंटर्नशिप और एनी कॉलेज हो या कहीं भी हो, तो you are missing the, like you are taking the break and going for that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
virtual
ma'am.
interview saves the time. So although virtual interview is different, but it's not obstacle and doesn't degrade the interviewing experience, because in virtual interview we also assess the facial expressions and level of the engagement when speaking virtual to the candidates. We also found that many meaningful ways to engage with the people beside face to face, right? So I think you don't need to shake someone's hands to hire them. You can also hire virtually, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So moving to the after virtual hiring, moving to the like moving to the documents part, collecting the candidates' documents and employees' documents. So we are managing all the documents on the clouds instead of hard copy. Before COVID, we are collecting hard copies of the documents. Now we are managing on all the data from the cloud, right? Also, we done virtual appraisals this time, right? And rewarding employee virtually so they get motivated. We have a before COVID, we have also a process for the rewarding employees quarterly, and right now we are maintaining the same process with virtually via Zoom and Skype call, right? So
Yep.
moving to the further virtual onboarding will be new practice for the of the companies nowadays. In the stage of the COVID, it's still unclear how long the encouraged work from home will last. So started virtual joining as well as. Firstly, virtual joining we are provided like officials. As I told you, we are provided official system to them so they can work easily and smoothly in the official servers. And so virtual onboarding process will be like we as an HR needs to collaborate with the related department and sharing information to them as well as new hires so they can plan according to their schedule. I think you all guys are heard about that. First impressions are everything, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
how you welcome a new hires, and that is big impression on that, right? So virtually how you talk with them, how you interact with them, that is also big impression on them. Face to face you can judge by through the body language and through the communications, right? Virtually you have to judge that also. So in a successful onboarding process, new hires not only get to know the companies, they get to know one another. So considering a virtual welcome buddy, we are introducing with the reporting head and teammates. So they know okay how many people are in a team or with whom they have to work with the team, right? After that, we explained all the company policy, that is induction process. So after that, we are taking induction process via Skype on Zoom call, and we are explaining all company policies which are following with the likewise holiday list, company timings, leave policies, celebrations activities, sports activities. Before COVID, we have sports activities. Nowadays, like we are following with the now we are days not managing that virtually, but we are managing all the other celebrations like other 15th August celebrations, other games activities, right? So this is how we plan for first off for the new hires and assign the small task for the day. So this is how transformations into digitalizations in a virtual we are handling face to face, and this is how all the process done via Zoom or Skype call, right? Getting this all? Any confusion?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So human resource, so that's why HR is not a things we do. It's the things that runs the business, right? So out of box, one of the recent scenario of virtual hiring I'm sharing you. Do you have any experience for that? Like आपने internship में recruitment में अगर कुछ किया हो तो ऐसा कोई experience है?
Ma'am, it was work from home, so we didn't get much experience.
Acha, okay. So you guys only in a work from you guys only screening the resume and talking with them.
Yes, ma'am. Doing cold calling with the client.
Okay, okay. So what do you learn from the cold calling?
How to convince and interact with an unknown, client.
Okay.
It was a great, learning.
Yeah, so communication is biggest part of the HR.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I just out of the box, I'm sharing one recent scenario of virtual hiring. I was headhunting about the senior role, and I'm using the tool of LinkedIn and Naukri portal majorly. So, but trending right now, LinkedIn is very useful, right? So I was, you guys also, you guys also using the LinkedIn also, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I'm sharing my experience that I approached one of the candidates for the senior positions on the, let's an example,
Yes, ma'am.
last month Thursday, and he told me that if you like, I'll be joining other company on Monday. So if you are open for this, then we can proceed further. I approached on Thursday, and he joined other company on Monday, right? So as I told you that first impressions are everything, so I simply said that okay, no problem, I explain you the company profile and role which we have role for you, so you can decide what you want to do, and if you want to consider, then you can let me know for further process. So he said okay, you can proceed with the interview, after I'll decide which opportunity is better for me. So I said, okay, moving to the further process. I think you guys knowing about the like, what should you do in this situation? You have any idea? If you have two offers of the company, so how you can decide, and how you interact with that candidate? If candidates have a two offer in hands, then how you interact with them, and how you attract that candidate for your organizations?
Ma'am, first thing is that how that employee is important for our company. अगर ज्यादा जरूरत है तो we'll convince him by giving the more salary about that.
Okay. Any other way? अगर salary में आपका budget नहीं है, then how you can convince them?
Through
And
culture
we can
and
find the
rewards.
flaws. Ma'am, we explain him the organization culture and all that we are doing this for the employees, and
Right.
for us, the employees are the main assets.
Yeah, perfectly said. So moving to the further, he clear over here all the rounds and the time to offer him. And so in situations, we offered him on Saturday and give the time to decide. So he finally decided on Sunday that he wants to join other company, because as they are offering me more than you guys. So I said, okay, you can join over there, and let me know if you have any in future, if you have any thoughts about our organizations, right? So after he's joining over there, I'll still connected with him and asking that how's your first day, how's your everything going all, or asking that you what role you getting over there. So in that conversations, I get to know that our role is better than his current company offering, right? So after his third day of joining, he decided to quit that job, and he called me for the join to my organization, join to our organization, right? So he called me that we discuss about all the stuff, and can you give me more about clarity about the role? So we done all the discussion about the role to offer, and then he said to join, and so next Monday he joined our organizations, right? So first of all it's an interesting story बन जाती है, because you don't know कि you मतलब आपने expect किया ही नहीं होता है कि वो बंदा वहां से join करके यहाँ join होता है. Getting this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So मतलब so learning was communication. It's a play big role in the type of this situation, because how you treat them, how you representing all the stuff, how you representing.
Ma'am, I have a question regarding this.
हाँ बोलिए.
About that candidate. Ma'am, don't you have a loyalty issue about that employee when he said he did something like that?
No, because he explained me the challenges over that. वहाँ की जो challenges है उसने मेरे साथ सारे discuss की, and then he decided कि नहीं, I got better role over here. So he has a priority over the role.
Okay. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So that was the learning was communication. It's play big role in the type of situation, because how you treat them, how you representing all the stuff, and how you tackle all the situations. Because in that situations, I think you need to take like you need to using different strategies. Nicely, you have to tackle the all the situations, because अगर वो ना बोल देता है and आपको आपको पता ही है कि ये कैंडिडेट मेरे को चाहिए, मतलब मेरी कंपनी के लिए एग्जैक्ट फिट है, राइट? So you have to behave with nicely, and you have to using different strategies with him. Then you can make a good interaction with him, right? So as I told you, there are many meaningful ways to engage with the people besides face to face. You don't need to shake someone's hands to hire them, right? So आप interactions जितना भी करोगे candidates के साथ, you will know more about them, right? So I think in future you guys come up with any kind of situations in hiring, so you can use this different strategies as according to the person's natures and according to the person's expectations. So this is the main part of HR role, that you need to know about person's expectations and person's natures, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So any questions you guys, or any feedback, or anything you want to share with me, or anything you want to interact with me?
Ma'am, I would like to ask a question, ma'am.
Yes, definitely.
Ma'am, during this whole thing, during doing every process virtually, was there any point where you felt that no, this should be done physically? I'm not like this thing or this process is not giving 100% of output if we do this virtually.
No.
At any point you felt that?
No, because we even in virtually we manage stuff, all this stuff very well, and we are managing like, because we are managing virtually, so that we can access from anywhere and anytime, right? So in a virtually हम लोग कुछ भी कहाँ से और कोई भी टाइम पे मैनेज कर सकते हैं, because in office you have to go with certain time limits, 8 hours, after that you left the office. In virtual work from home, you can work anytime and anywhere, and you can do anything virtually.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, earlier in the session you mentioned that you appraise your employees virtually. How did you do that? Like
we set up the meetings with the whole team, and as lead is discussing about the how challenges and how they came up with the achievements, and then generally appreciation meeting ही होता है, as you are the star of the month, you done this in this month, in this quarter you done this type of works, this type of task, you have done this.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
मैम आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन, लाइक ऐसा मतलब ऐसी आपने कोई नई पॉलिसी इंट्रोड्यूस करी है जो मतलब इस कोविड के बाद ही हुई थी और पहले मतलब कंपनी में नहीं थी और आपको कोविड के बाद उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करना पड़ा, समथिंग लाइक दैट?
Nothing. Mostly we are managing same procedure with the virtually. Yes, post COVID we can introduce the remote work policy, because before COVID leads and sales team who needs to communicate with the clients, or who needs to give the commitment to the clients, they are only they person are only working with the remote worker. Post COVID we are planning about to remote work policies, कि इन फ्यूचर अगर किसी का हेल्थ इश्यूज है, किसी का अगर कुछ है, तो वी कैन अलाउ टू द रिमोट वर्क.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
Ma'am, after this pandemic, will you change any something in the recruitment process that a requirement in the candidates?
No, even as I told you that even we got more projects and more recruitment hiring, more vacancies after this situations. So same process we are following, but virtually we are following. And after COVID, I think initially we are maintaining the virtually. after that all get sorted out, then we can call face to face to candidate over the office.
Okay, ma'am.
Anybody else? Anyone have to share any feedback?
Other questions?
Sorry?
I think everyone has asked enough of questions. So,
Neha ma'am, I just like to say there were some two wonderful lines that VDS said, which were really alarming. That HR is not the things we do, but HR is something which runs business. So that was really wonderful, VD,
Yes.
because it is always thought that we are a silent partner or a support function. But what she said is such a beautiful statement because actually partnering strategically for the profits. So we did that was good, and I also liked the first impression is everything,
Yes.
especially in
Yeah.
HR.
Yeah.
Right?
Thanks.
That was
Thanks for the inviting me, and thanks for the session of the part.
no,
Thanks.
that was
Thanks
wonderful.
everyone. Thanks. And
Yes, Neha ma'am.
if anyone
I
have
would
any
like to
query,
add something
yeah.
to Himani ma'am's statement. Like as she shared that it is very much true that HR. I have also worked with recruitment companies, and I've been heard this thing like since so long that HR is somebody who is doing the thankless job, who is somebody who is working, but actually people are not considering him as a like him or her as a the direct output. They are not linking it with the direct output from the for the company. So it is something which she has explained very well. I really like the point which she shared that why it is good to start from recruitment, as somehow the student have a mindset that recruitment
Yes.
is something which is a very small thing. Why should start a career from a consulting firm, and why we should work like that. So it is just a basic unit for HR, which she has explained very well. I really love the way she explained that how the virtual world has the way of recruitment, the way of employee training, onboarding, everything has changed. We faculty were very curious about that screen meter software because it is something new, which just got to know about, and we may add this thing to the new work-life balance policies when we need something like that in future. So
Yeah.
it's definitely a very good and interactive session. Thank you so much for joining with us. Now, this is from my part. I think we have one student also who wanted to give some vote of thanks. Miss, are you there?
Vidhi,
Yes,
if you can
Mama.
just stop the screen share so we can have a full view of the gallery, and
Yeah,
then
sure.
I can
Yeah.
just take a picture. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
I really thank you, Ms. Vidhi Gandhi, madam, from our entire LG team, LG MBA, for giving such a wonderful insights. And it was in this HR Excellence series, and it was extremely informative and knowledgeable. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah. Thanks all of you guys. All the best for your future, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, and
Thank you,
thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
LG team, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
And if you guys have any query, any confusion, if you want to interact with me, you can contact me LinkedIn as well as no issues. I am anytime available.
Just give a
Thank you,
smiling
ma'am.
face as Himani ma'am is clicking picture.
Yeah. Yeah, we can do that. Can I click?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
This is really very nice. And this virtual HRX is getting so interesting now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, Vidhi. It was a wonderful session. Thank you, guys. We can, I think I'll end the meeting now, and we meet tomorrow for day 2. And you all have the details, so you can join accordingly. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.